Hello, everyone, and welcome to ROKStudios. I'm Stan Miller. I'm the PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region, and I'm here with Jeff Holcomb. He is the Global Market Manager, Automation in the Industrial Division of Mettler Toledo. Jeff, welcome to the studio.
Thank you, Stan. Thank you for inviting us here. I'm responsible for the weighing part of the automation, and we weigh everything from micrograms up to several tons. Our company is also involved in dimensioning and process control, in-plant sensors, and things like that.
That's really good context, Jeff, because we're here to talk about operational processes, precision in the age of Industry 4.0.
Right.
So let's just kick it off. What are some of the key ways in which the transition to Industry 4.0 is changing the manufacturing industry?
Everything's getting faster. And in our industry, a lot of the scales, a lot of the balances, a lot of the measuring devices weren't connected to anything. It was all done by paperwork. And now what we've done is we're connecting everything to Rockwell Automation over Ethernet IP, or we're connecting it to IT systems over Ethernet using the new industry standards. So you asked that question. I would say also standardization is a big topic with our customers. They want the data in both places, on the plant floor and in the IT systems.
How can manufacturers make their data actionable, and why is that important?
Well, a couple of things. Number one, we supply what we call condition monitoring with the data. So we're telling you that the data is there, it's good, you can trust it. So you don't have to wait a couple of hours or a couple of weeks to find out that your product went bad. We tell you immediately so you can take corrective action right away. That's one of the biggest themes. The other theme is to combine that data with other data from other sensors on the plant floor so you can really optimize the whole process and not just our process.
What are the key benefits that manufacturers can realize when they're embracing this type of approach?
Well, the biggest one is cost savings. Everybody wants to save costs. Productivity. We've had customers increase our productivity by a factor of 3 by increasing the speed of which we're measuring and filling systems. You can run your machines a lot faster, and the precision makes you able to make your product a lot more precise. Like battery manufacturers, you get better charges, you get better consistencies in the batteries and things like that. So precision really adds value to our customers.
It's a really good example. From your perspective, how does Mettler Toledo and Rockwell Automation, how do we help support manufacturers embrace Industry 4.0?
We help them with the integration, and also we help them with the information. We give them the possibilities of what they can actually do with the data, what they can actually do with our devices, because a lot of them are not weighing experts, right? So they come to us and they have problems that need to be solved, and we sit down and we talk to them beforehand, before they build their systems up, to talk about degrees of accuracy and things like that, and where they can get the data and how they can get the data.
Really interesting stuff. Jeff, I don't have any more questions for you. It's been a pleasure having you in the studio. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Stan. It's been great.
And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Rockwell Automation or Mettler Toledo, visit www.rockwellautomation.com.